Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. All right, let's get right into it. Today we are making a healthy version of my favorite apple cider. All right, first step, you need to wash and cut your apples. So you really just want to cut the apples just to get rid of the seeds, so don't worry about them being specifically diced or specially cut. Now boil 2 cups of water and put that into your blender. Followed by your apples. Now we're going to add in your cinnamon. And your clove, followed by your vanilla extract. All right, now it's time to blend it up. We're gonna blend it for 5 minutes. Then you're going to take a strainer and whatever container you are storing it in, and you're going to place it on top. Then you're going to take the apple cider mixture and you're going to put it through the strainer so it strains out all of those fibrous bits. And done! Here we have a beautiful, tasty apple cider. It's honestly holiday season in a jar. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.